Ford's new RTR Mustang, built to slide, born to thrill. Ford is teaming up again with someone special, this time, not Carroll Shelby, but drifting legend Vaughn Gittin Jr. Just like Shelby helped create Ford's racing legacy decades ago, Gittin is now shaping Ford's future with the youth-driven, drifting culture in mind. The result? The 2026 Ford Mustang RTR, a factory-built, drift-ready beast that's officially developed right alongside Ford. This isn't your typical aftermarket spec 1, 2, or 3 RTR build. This is something bigger. For only the second time in Mustang history, Ford has partnered directly with an outside performance company to build a Mustang on the main assembly line, the first being Shelby. That alone tells you how serious this project is. Built for drifting, not just driving. The Mustang RTR starts with an EcoBoost fastback, but Ford and RTR have reworked it heavily to be a drift machine from the factory. And yes, it comes with the electronic drift brake, the same tech Gittin helped engineer for the S650 Mustang. It also gets active valve performance exhaust, Brembo brakes from the GT Performance Pack, 6-piston front, 4-piston rear, and even the GT's upgraded steering rack, offering 72mm more travel for tighter angles when sideways. To make things stiffer and more responsive, parts from the Dark Horse Mustang, like anti-roll bars and the rear subframe, have been borrowed. Ford says RTR spent 3 years developing this package at the Arizona Proving Grounds, dialing it in for controlled chaos on the track. Smart software, wild performance. Under the surface, the software is just as important as the hardware. The track mode stability control has been recalibrated to allow huge slip angles, perfect for big, smoking drifts. Meanwhile, Magnaride dampers get a unique RTR tune for better balance mid-slide. But here's the real trick, anti-lag technology, straight from the Le Mans, winning Ford GT. When you lift off the throttle, the fuel cuts but the throttle stays open, keeping the turbos spooled up and ready. That means instant power when you get back on the gas. Horsepower stays at 315 horsepower and 350 lb-ft, but with an optional Ford performance tune, you can bump it to 350 horsepower and 400 lb-ft. Style that screams RTR. Visually, the 2026 RTR means business. It uses the Mustang GT front fascia with a unique grille featuring RTR's signature illuminated nostrils, one even feeding fresh air to the intake. Out back, it rocks the GT Performance Pack wing. The 19-inch RTR wheels, 9.5 inches wide, where 255/40 are 19 Goodyear Eagle F1 tires, pushed out with a 30mm offset for that aggressive stance. The finish? A sleek tarnished dark anodized look on wheels, caps, and graphics. For those who like a little flash, you can order Hyperlime Brembo brakes, and even wrap the graphics in Hyperlime too. 10 colors will be offered, including a new option called Avalanche Gray for 2026. Inside the Drift Lab. Step inside, and the RTR identity continues. There are illuminated sill plates, a serialized RTR dash badge, and Hyperlime stitching everywhere, plus a matching drift brake handle. If neon isn't your thing, you can choose a stealthy black and gray combo. The digital screens even get custom RTR animations, think Tron-style graphics and a drifting Mustang on startup. Recaro seats are optional, and Hyperlime seat belts come standard unless you opt for black calipers. How much will it cost? We don't have final pricing yet, but expectations are mid-$40,000s. If Ford bundles all these RTR features into a base EcoBoost Mustang with performance packs, it could land around $46,000, a relative bargain for a factory drift car. Final thought. The 2026 Mustang RTR isn't just another Mustang with stickers. It's a bold move, a bridge between factory performance and drifting culture. It's built to flatter beginners, thrill pros, and light up social media feeds one smoke cloud at a time. If you've ever wanted to slide a Mustang straight from the dealership, this is your moment.